What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play No Time to Die by Billie Eilish. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and I'm going to explain all the chords that you need to know, the structure for the song, and the strumming pattern. As always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. So the chords that you need to know for the song are going to be E minor. It's 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0, middle finger on your second fret of your A string, and your ring finger on the second fret of your D string. Then you're going to go C major, which is 0, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0, ring finger on the third fret of your A string, middle finger on the second fret of the D string, index finger on the first fret of the B string. And technically you can go C major 7 here if you want. I'm using just a C chord throughout the song, but if you want to do the C major 7, which is that same chord, you just don't play, you take your index finger off of the B string and just play it open. You could do that as well, but I'm playing the C major. Then you need to know A major, which is 0, 0, 2, 2, 2, 0, middle finger second fret D string, ring finger second fret G string, pinky finger second fret B string. And you also need to know A minor, which is 0, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0, middle finger second fret D string, ring finger second fret G string, and index finger on the first fret of the B string. And then finally, you need a B7, which is 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 2, middle finger second fret A string, index finger on the first fret of the D string, ring finger on the second fret of the G string, and your pinky finger on the second fret of the high E string. Once you get the chords down, I'll explain the structure for the song. It's going to be intro, first verse, pre-chorus, that only happens once, chorus, interlude, which is the exact same thing as your first intro, it's just half as long right after the first chorus, second verse, which is the exact same as your first verse, it's also just half as long, second chorus, which is identical to the first chorus, interlude again, but this time it plays through the same amount of times as the intro did, because the intro and the interludes are the exact same as far as the chord progressions. It's just the first interlude is half as many times as the intro and the second interlude, and then you end on your final chorus, which is half as long as your first two choruses, and then you end on a pretty funky note. It's like a G minor or an E minor major 7. But yeah, that's the entire structure there. And at the end of this video, I will have an entire playthrough of the song, and then I will have a link in the video description that's got the actual chord placements for the entire song with the lyrics. So if you need that, check the description. And if you want to see the full playthrough, just stick around to the end of the video. Now we'll start with the intro, and I'm going to show you, the strumming is a little bit different for the intro than it is the interlude. So I'm going to show you both of those and the chord progression. Your chord progression is the E minor, C major, A major, and then B7. And in the very beginning of the song, it's played twice, all that's played twice, and you're just single strumming through it. And then it jumps into the verse, and then for the interludes, the strumming pattern, and this is going to be, since this is played on piano, this is just the most simple, easiest strumming pattern that you can play. You can play whatever's comfortable. There's nothing set in stone, but this is going to be the easiest thing for you to play. It's just going to be down, 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 up, 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 down, into the verse. Your chord progression for the verse is going to be E minor, C, A minor, and you do that 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, and then here you go C, and then B major 7. And for the first verse, that entire thing there plays through twice. So I'll play it again. And in the beginning, again, it's like single strummed for the most part. When it goes through the second time, you can start strumming there if you like. It kind of starts to pick up. Again, totally up to you, but in the start, it looks like this. And that was one whole time, then it does all that again. From there, you jump into your pre-chorus, which again, this only happens one time right here in the song, and the chord progression for that is C major, E minor, A minor, and then B7, and again, that whole thing just plays through once, just like that, right before you jump into the verse. So again. From there, we'll jump into the chorus. Your chord progression for the chorus is going to be E minor, C, A minor, very similar to the verses, and that plays through the first chorus and the second chorus. That plays through 4 times, and then on the last chorus, it's only played through twice. So again, and here's where you can start using that strumming pattern of down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So again, intro, first verse, pre-chorus, chorus, interlude that's half as long as the first intro, verse that's half as long as the first verse, chorus, interlude that's the same length of time as the intro, then your final chorus, which is half as long as your chorus 1 and chorus 2, then you end on your E minor major 7, which that final chord is 0, 2, 1, open, open, 0, 0, 2. So middle finger, 2nd fret, A string, ring finger, 1st fret on your D string, and then pinky finger on the high E on the 2nd fret. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are gonna work is each month I'm gonna pick 2 winners. One is gonna receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner. And the second winner is gonna win a free t-shirt from my Billie Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now, all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm gonna be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm gonna live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.